Hello, people, and welcome back to yet another musical song video. And today we are once again revisiting the combination of Kishore Kumar and Anil Bishwas. So, for those of you who are new to my channel and for who are following my music videos, I highly suggest watching the channel or watching the video that I made on this combination before, and the song was Husn Bhi Hai Udhas Udhas from the same movie Fareb, and that was also a solo of Kishore Kumar, and this is also a solo song of Kishore Kumar under the baton of Anil Bishwas. So we all know Kishore Kumar through the songs of Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan, Devanand, and all the boisterous and the sad songs, the philosophical songs, the naughty songs, the romantic songs, everything. We all know the baritone voice, the baritone and emotional voice of Kishore Kumar, but very few people are conversant with Kishore Kumar's early works. When he came when he was new to the film industry, his voice had a wonderful suppleness, and the way it transitioned or moved across registers was, I dare say, unmatched. And it had a wonderful fluidity that composers like Anil Bishwas, composers like Husnal Bhagat Ram, they all capitalized and brought out some beautiful melodies, which unfortunately get overshadowed thanks to the hits he delivered for Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan, and Devanand later on. But this song is another such beauty. It's an example of Kishore Kumar's sheer genius and talent. So let's hear this gorgeous song once again.
इकरार कभी इनकार तेरे दो नैनन में सुख दुख का संसार, मेरे सुख दुख का संसार तेरे दो नैनन में। सितम ढाना हो सितम ढाना, कोई सीखे इनसे सितम ढाना। झुक झुक के कुछ फरमाना, फिर उठ कर साफ मुकर जाना। झुक झुक के कुछ फरमाना, फिर उठ कर साफ मुकर जाना। कभी प्यार कभी तकरार तेरे दो नैनन में सुख दुख का संसार, मेरे सुख दुख का संसार तेरे दो नैनन में। यही दुश्मन जैसे हो, दुश्मन जैसे यही दोस्त यही दुश्मन जैसे। पल में कांटे की चुभन जैसे, पल में खिल जाए चमन जैसे। पल में कांटे की चुभन जैसे, पल में खिल जाए चमन जैसे। कभी खार कभी गुलजार तेरे दो नैनन में सुख दुख का संसार तेरे दो नैनन में। मेरे सुख दुख का संसार तेरे दो नैनन में।
So wasn't that just a beautiful song? How supple and fluid his voice was. Like the way it was going across the various registers, both up and down. And believe me, this song is not as easy as it sounds. It's a very difficult song to sing, and in those days, they didn't have the technology that singers have today. So all the entire song had to be recorded in a single take. So there was no room for mistakes by either the singers or the musicians. So the singers had to be very, very good and on top of their voice in terms of delivery. It doesn't matter if you're good throughout your rehearsals, but your final take, you had to be really good. So it speaks volumes of somebody who did not have any training in music to be able to deliver and to be able to come through with such intricate passages, and really hats off and credit to him. And once again, Anil Biswas, what else can I say? He brings out the aspects of any rag without being ostentatious or without being heavy-handed about it. It subtly he brings out, and that is very rare and unspoken talent. Because you bring in the classical flavor without being heavy-handed or without being too showing off about it. And so I think he was one of the most cerebral and creative composers of the Hindi film industry. And in his case, like in the case of Sajjad Hussain, it's quality over quantity. It's too bad that by the mid 50s, his composing, he kind of slowed down, and from the early 60s, I think in 1961, his son passed away in a road accident, and he was never the same after that. He totally retired from the Hindi film industry and then later joined the All India Radio. So, but still a great man and a great composer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this song, and like I did, and if you do, let me know in the comments below, and let me know any recommendations for any such songs of Anil Biswas or any of that era of composers or singers that you would like me to listen to, and I'll give it a listen. Thank you. Bye.